Hello everyone, this is Sajad. Few months back, I was working as a AGM of one of the organization in Bangalore. Then decided to join politics. Noted down a couple of options, wherein I had an option of thinking of current government, then the opposition, then thought of Aam Aadmi Party, which has fairly done very good in Delhi. The outcome of Delhi was main reason for me to actually take a call with Aam Aadmi Party because I my decision was based on certain principles which I wanted to see in major of the most of the organization, most of the political parties, but I could not find it. First and foremost was clean politics. I wanted to be a part of clean politics. And the second thing is like it should be a people's party, people oriented party where they listen to the people. They should be same time they should be focused. Whatever the goal they have, whatever the manifesto they have given to the public, they should be focused. They should be result oriented organization. They should not think about themselves. It should only be people first, country first, nation first. That is where I felt Aam Aadmi, when I gauged out everybody, so I felt Aam Aadmi had all that qualities which actually pulled me into this. I simply believe if I have to change the system, I need to be a part of system. I welcome you all. Please join us. We take it together. We fight together. We achieve together. Single I can't win. All of you, all of us, we build the nation. Thank you.